What's happening, my little second graders? Today is an excellent day. Today we're going to be learning about money and talking about money, and it is Zearn Mission 3 Lesson 8, and I am disappointed that we have to do this through distance learning because this is a lesson where you get to get out paper dollars, count them out, keep them in your wallet, see how much money you have, trade it out for some other money. And our learning target is to count the total value of $1, $10, and $100 bills all the way up to $1,000. Now, that's pretty awesome for second grade because if you had $1,000, what would you do? You can leave it a note or a message for your teacher. What would you do with $1,000? And we'll count it in several different ways. So let's start down here. Zoom out. Now you can see I put several different bills up here for us to take a look at. Enlarge myself here a little bit. All right, so on the screen you have $1, $10, and $100 bills, and we're gonna play around with them a little bit. We're gonna put them in the columns. Columns go up and down. We'll put them in the appropriate column for our ones, tens, and hundreds. Now, we could build any number we want with this, but the first number I want to build is 124. So we're going to make the number 124 using ones, tens, and hundreds. What's the first thing you do? Well, you could start over here with the ones because they're small, or you could start with the hundreds. I think getting to that number quicker makes it easier, so I'm going to make one pile of $100 over here, or one stack. I have 100. Now I need 20. How many tens are in the number 20? That's right, 2 tens. So I'll stack 2 tens over here. Boom. Bang, bang, boom. Got 2 tens. That makes 120. Now I need 124, so I'll need 4 more ones. Count out the ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What's the number that I have? I have 124. It looks pretty good to me. Looks all right. Yep, 124. We could make any other number. That'd be awesome. But unfortunately, we do have to move on. So I'm going to move on down here. How much do I have? Take a look. I have 5 on top, and I have 5 $1 on bottom. And I'm going to actually have to borrow a 10 from over here. We will copy that $10 bill, and we will be trading out tens for ones. Now check it out. If I have these two $1 bills and I take them out, I had $10. I'm going to replace them with 2 $10 bills. What's the number that I have now? I have 2 tens, which is 20, and I have 4 ones. That's 24. Let's do that same thing again. I'm going to take away these 2 $1 bills, and then I'm going to add 2 more $10 bills. What's my new number? Well, you could start by counting your tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. There's 6 $1 bills, and there's 4 $10 bills. 46 is your new number. What if I swap out 2 more $1 bills for $10 bills? What number will I have? Well, take a look. I have 6 $10 bills. 6 tens is 60. And I have 4 $1 bills. My new number is 64. All right. Let's do away with 2 more $1 bills. Swap them out for tens. Now I have a total of 8 $10 bills. What does that equal? You're right, 80. And 2 $1 bills, 82. The last step, let's go ahead and take away these 2 ones, and we'll add 2 more tens. 1 and 2. How many tens do you see now? 10 tens. 10 $10 bills makes up 100. We could easily just take all 10 of these and trade them for $100 bill. 100. See if I can lasso these $10 bills. Lasso. Boom. I took all 10 and I trade them for one $100 bill. There you go. Now, I'm going to give you a couple questions and we'll see if we can swap out some more tens and ones. There's my 10 tens back. And I will copy a $1 bill. All right, you could see my notes there. So if you were tricky, you were already seeing what the answers were. I'll put these up here and I'll move myself down here to the corner. Ta-da! All right. We're going to take 300. Ooh, we're going to need some more hundreds, aren't we? Okay. I'm going to make the number 334. Watch me. There's 100. There's 200. And 300. And I will actually stack all these tens right here. Stack all these tens right here. These guys here. Okay, so now I have 300s, 3 tens, and let's make 4 ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I take the number 334 and I swap out 3 $10 bills for 300s. Just gonna cover them up here. There we go. Boom. Now I have how much? $604. All right, let's go to my little cheat sheet here. See what the next question is. Change 604 and then change 4 ones to 4 tens. So we have 604 and then change 4 ones to 4 tens. Now I'll have to borrow one of these guys. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so I have 6 $100 bills and I have 4 $10 bills. How much do I have? Well, you can count 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 610, 620, 630, 640. There's $640. Let's go back to the cheat sheet. All right. Let's change out 2 tens to 200s. Ooh, we're getting big. Going big here. Let's see if I have any more hundreds. I don't think I have any more hundreds. Just have to copy some more. Okay, so I took 2 tens and I traded them for 2 more hundreds. All you got to do is count along. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 810, 820. And you could easily tell 2 more than 6 is 8. So 8 hundreds, 2 tens, 820. Go back to the cheat sheet. See what problem we have now. Change 110 to 1. Okay, so that's easy. We're just going to take one of these and take them away. 110. Oops, actually, that's not right. 110, I need to change it to a 1. So we're going to reverse this. I'll put this guy, actually delete him. There we go. So now we have 8 100s, we have 1 10, and we have 1 1. How much do we have? 800. 10 plus 1 is 11. 811. All right, I think we got one more question over here. Our last question is 802. Change 2 ones to 200s. So I have 801, 802. Change 2 ones to 200s. Well, all we're doing now is we're just getting silly. We're just making them all $100 bills. There's lots of good ways to count this. You could say 4 and 4 is 8, plus 2 more is 10. You could say 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 more is 8, plus 2 more is 10. Or you can just count by ones or hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. There's 10 hundreds and 1,000. All right, now that's this lesson. That concludes our lesson for today on ones, tens, and hundreds. You have some worksheets to finish up and also an exit ticket and a Zearn lesson. Make sure you complete those 3 things, and I will see you guys later. By the way, I'm wearing my Michael Anderson Elementary running club shirt. Make sure where you guys are at home, get lots of exercise, get out there and go run, go do something fun while you're stuck at home. Don't spend the whole Thanksgiving and let it go by without taking advantage. We miss you guys. We hope to see you soon. I've really had a lot of fun with you back in the class, so I'm hoping that we'll be back together. And don't ever stop learning. Keep learning. I'll see you later.